So in this video, I'm going to show you how to sync your video and audio together in Premiere Pro. I'm assuming you have your external audio and video ready to roll in a new project in Premiere Pro. Create a new sequence and drag in both your video and audio clip. Highlight all the content, right click and hit synchronize. Then select audio and hit OK. So I'd say 40% of the time it works every time.
That doesn't make sense.
But if you find that Premiere is either having trouble or just not syncing at all, you may have to go in manually. Right click here and select audio time units. This will give you access to meticulously refine those small movements when aligning the tracks. And I guess it's all about looking at the pattern of the waveform here. Look for any spikes in the tracks that you can potentially align with. I tend to clap at the beginning of each clip to give me a clear audio peak I can see in the timeline. Find your peak and hit M to mark the point on the video track. Then do exactly the same on the audio track. Right click again and hit synchronize, only this time select clip marker. It will then sync those 2 points together. You may need to fine tune it slightly by moving left or right and making sure the peaks are perfectly aligned. After that, I select the unwanted audio in the video track. Right click, unlink, then select the video and external audio. Right click again and select link. This will marry the parts together so they don't slide out of place when editing. This is the best way to sync your videos together using all native actions in Premiere Pro. However, if you're like me and have a shed ton of different cameras and audio recordings to sync up when I'm doing multicam sessions, sometimes I film hour-long speeches or seminars, so those methods will suck or at best only work on a few clips in the timeline. If this is your case too, I would highly advise investing in a piece of software called Pleurarise. It's made by a company you may have heard of before called Red Giant. With this software you can literally dump in all the clips into the program, hit sync and Pleurarise will do the rest. You can either do it in the standalone software and export it into your timeline, or use it as a plugin straight in Premiere Pro. You can download a trial version of the software on their website. I'll put the link in the description below. I have no affiliation with them, I just think it's a really cool, handy piece of software for people who edit loads of clips and external audio. My name's Dan and I hope you found this video helpful. If so, give it a thumbs up and maybe subscribe, so we can be friends. Or not, it's up to you, no pressure. Do it. See you in the next one.